God hurts me. God help me. I think I'm insane. Bless me. God help me. It's not CPR, it's Insane. It's her new album. Fit check. So 오랜만에 fit check을 할까요? I originally came with this hat. I came with it. You know, no pictures. No, I'm kidding. But I came like this hat, this hoodie. You guys seen this hoodie before? Cute little teddy bear hoodies. Speaking about teddy bears, got teddy bears here. God bless me. And 제 필수템 이 청바지, 제가 제일 좋아하는 청바지. 그리고 신발, 귀여운 신발. 이 신발이 포인트예요, 여러분. I think I'm insane. Yeah, so this is the fit. Just jeans, little boots. Boots for the rain, even though it's not raining. And yeah, but it's hot in here. Like actually, like I'm sweating. So those boots. Yep, those boots. I've been wanting these boots for so long, but they didn't have them in Korea. Like my size, at least. So. Hey, I've been working on my body in Pilates, and I ain't feeling sorry. I've been in the going crazy daily, baby. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Hey. Oh, it's like hot. I've been working on my body in Pilates, and I ain't feeling sorry. Been in the kitchen bumping Maserati. Shit, I've been in the crib going crazy. I've been moving work on the daily. Baby ain't trying to be a baby. Understand, I'm just trying to be the daily. Scoop, 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 scoop. Tomorrow is my day off. Look at payoff. Suspect me. Scoop, hey, scoop, 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 scoop. Scoop. 오늘 하루 어땠어요? 오늘 하루 좋았어요. 오늘 하루 좋았죠. 좋았고 이따가 이제 댄스 레슨 하러 가야 돼요. 근데 이제 댄스 레슨 하기 전에 잠깐 밥 먹고 여러분들과 함께 파티하러 왔어요. Hey, I love this song. All I hear is oh. Do you know how to play chess? Yes, but I'm not good. I'm more of a checkers guy. All I hear is raindrops. New top. Half the world like new bomb. Hey.
Call me on my Zeddy phone. Hate when you leave me alone. I don't like to Instagram. I don't like when you be out. I just want your finest home. I know exes hate me now. Can't date you, so they hate you now. All I hear is
Raindrops. New top. Ooh ah. New
baby, I don't like these boys. I don't like these cameras. I don't like the paparazzi. They remind me of the cops. Fuck the apps. Fuck you right. Make sure that I dig you right. Keep your ass up all night. Bedroom feel like fine night. Hold on tight. Baby, I write the dice. Do or die. When I met you, suicide. It's alright. I don't die. I just
에이 여러분 이 노래 너무 좋지 않아요?
for my life. Live like twice on my ice. Move away.
Taylor Swift.
Hold your hand, hold your hand. Then we fight, then we fuck, then we fuck.
영화 추천?
Then I like, then I love.
영화 추천?
Baby,
Raindrops. New top. New time. Half the world like ooh ah. New drop. 제가 영화를 좋아하는데 너무 오랜 시간 동안 앉아서 하나를 집중하는 게 어려워요. 그래서 영화를 잘 안 봐요. 뭔가 영화가 진짜 재밌고 막 안 대단한 이상 그렇게 앉아서 뭔가 계속 집중해서 하긴 좀 어려워요. 저만 그런가? Oh yes. 와 진짜 추억이다 이 노래. 에이. 왜? Get out of this town, away from the crowd. Tell me now. You're so tall and handsome as hell. You're so bad, but she do it so well. Yes. Say you remember me, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just in your wildest dreams. Nah. This song is so good. She like I don't know. 이 노래 진짜 와, 이 노래 왜 이렇게 좋은지 모르겠어요. 그냥 그 후렴 부분이 Know what we do. This bass goes crazy. Doom, 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 doom. Thirsting on so tall and handsome as hell. Does it so well. Let's go. Staring in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just in wow. See me in hindsight, taking up with you all night, burning, it down, down. Someday when you leave me, I hope these memories follow you around. See me in hindsight, tangled up with you all night, burning it down. Someday when you leave me, I hope these memories. Standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you see me again, even if it's just in time. Let's go! 이 노래 너무 좋지 않아요? You know what other song I've been listening to? 제가 중학교 때 많이 들었던 노래 요즘에 다시 듣게 되는데요. 바로 로드라는 가수의 White Teeth Teens예요. Busier than here in the day. That is dark now. 이 노래 되게 좋아요. We got the glow in the minds. White teeth teens are out. Hey. White teeth teens are up for it. Hey.
If you want, we'll help tonight to split the scene. Roses are like gifts. You'll get the picture of your dreams. I won't be smiling, but the notes from my admirers fill the dashboard just the same.
White teeth teens. My lips are greasy because of this food.
White teeth teens are up for it. I know you love it when the hairpins start to drop.
Like the recording.